Let's fire those sirens up, guys. All right, guys. Well, I don't know what I lost, what made this fall off, but I've got this bolt in here now. I've got it real tight. It seems to be changing gears, so we're gonna go check it out and see what it does. I think there was a E-clip right here that kind of held that on, but putting the bolt in that, tightening it down seemed to work. So wish me luck, guys, and let's see if she works. It's a beautiful office. Anybody turning a black coffee cup, Bubba, by any chance?
No, they have not.
All right. If they do, just holler at me. Here's the inside of it, folks. Get plenty of merch. Y'all come by.
No, that's what we're ordering in, that's all.
All right.
We'll have more in than 2 weeks.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, they keep good merchandise. It's Black Mountain Off-Road Adventure area. EVARTS side. It's located in Bailey's Creek, EVARTS, Kentucky. Beautiful little shack, cabin, office. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So y'all come down and visit. Cheap to ride too. They'll give you a pretty sticker like that to stick on your bike. You're good to go. Got us a slew of rock crawlers. Don't know where they're going. But some of y'all's asking me, what's this stick for on your bike? Well, I hate spider webs, and this stick keeps the spider webs off of me. It catches them. It's my spider web catcher. Well, they're starting to move up there. I really just want to go see my cup. My cup's up here. They move out of my way, it's just right up here. Looks like they're going. So we can go. Have 2 hands to get up this big hill. You can hear them all in the holler. You can hear them everywhere. Sounds like they're playing and climbing right over there on that ridge. Wow, look how green and beautiful everything is in the mountains. This is the first time I've been in the woods all year. Where I wrecked that bike, I'm kind of hurting. I'm gonna see if my wife wants to do a picnic. Lord, I see yellow root everywhere. I promise you I do. There's yellow root up there. Y'all remember this spot right here. See the sign, 18. When my legs ain't hurting and there ain't so many people in here, I'll walk up there and show it to you. I promise you, it's here. I see it from here. The guys, where I took that tumble on this bike, phew, I'm hurting. I might have to end up going to the hospital. I've got houses to wash tomorrow and stuff. I've got work to do. So I don't know. Let's go see if we can find something. Ambulance at the park. Oh no, someone got hurt. No, they did not get hurt. They actually keep this here in case someone does get hurt. That way they can get in there and get them out. Always on standby. Safety's always first at Black Mountain Off-Road Adventure Area. Excuse me, guys. Safety's always first at Black Mountain Off-Road Adventure Area. Y'all come on by and ride a while. You hear? Make sure you do. And tell them Harlan County Transparency Mark Stewart sent you. What's up, YouTube land? Here comes one coming down. Is that still blocked off up there? Is that still blocked off up there? No, they fill that hole in. Okay. Well, they didn't go all the way out. Once you go past that big rock, this road is dug up. And from what I understand from Nally and Hamilton, this is a fire road and a rescue road, so it's not supposed to be blocked off. And plus, a lot of the tourists in Everts really enjoyed riding on that. So I don't understand why they blocked it up. Anyway, I'm going to investigate that a little further. Until then, I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, give it a like. Anything to help me beat up that YouTube algorithm. That YouTube algorithm is a whooping my tail right now. I'm going to hit it with a left and hit it with a right and knock it out right on sight. Ding, ding. Here we go, YouTube. Battle begin. Thanks, guys. Subscribe, and if you ain't subscribed, make sure you hit the little bell. Make sure you hit all. That way you get all my videos every time I drop one. Take care, guys. Peace.